Yo, 5-0.
Oh shit, yo.
Hey yo, I jumped from the 8th floor step, hit the ground, the pound fell. Cops is coming, running through the pissy stairwells. I ain't hear nothing, bugging. Only thing I remember was a bullshit summer. So I stopped at the 2nd floor, ran across cracks, is falling. My pockets is mean, clean when I vanished off. Took off, made track look easy. The walkie-talkies and DTs had black, they was rated PG. Run, I will not give up. No, quick flag the car down. Yo, go till they come now. Peel off quick, back up, hit the bitch door, turn downhill like the Marley spliff. Run, I will not get bagged on a rock. Run, see what happened to they bad with they cops. Run, they am shit, plan shit, destroy evidence. Fucking case, I'm not coming home when I'm 56. Die with the heart of Scarface and take 50 licks before I let these crackers throw me his shit. Bounce if you a good kid, bounce through the bird hop, curse, word to get served. These cocksuckers got nerve. Heard I was killing shit, they must got word that I told the chief for Rich Paul I don't wanna merge. Run if you sell drugs in the school zone. Run if you getting chased with no shoes on. Run, fuck that. Run, cops got guns, they giving out life like by the tons. Run if you ain't do shit, you hit that next felony, nigga. It's like 3-zip. So run, hop fences, jump over benches. When you see me coming, get the fuck out the entrance. Run, fuck that. Run, cops got guns, motherfucker.
I might gotta take my shirt off.
Yeah, kid.
I like that one.
Go in.
It's Task Force Tuesday, the narcs in the black car. I got 500 packs in my backyard. Clear 12-12s that look like stuffed shells. I'm cutting niggas' throats on the sales while they puff L's. Don't leave nothing unbagged, shave everything. I learned from the OGs to save everything. They come by one more time, they gon' hop out. They too deep and one is a bitch, she getting knocked out. Then I can get rid of the pack, but I just copped this pretty chrome thing, so I'm dipping with that. Downshifting on them like I got gears on me. Besides that, I got about 5 years on me. Scared to death, running like I got beers on me. Tim start feeling like they Nike Airs on me. It's hard for me to slow down, it's like I'm on the thruway. My belt's in the crib on the floor by my two-way. Now I'm trying to hold my hammer up in my pants too. They don't kill me, they gon' give me a number I can't do. Rather it be the streets than jail where I die at. And I'm asthmatic, so I'm looking for somewhere to hide at. But they too close and I got this new toast. Imagine if I would've let off a shot or two. You know what I gotta do.
Run if you sell drugs in the school zone. Run if you getting chased with no shoes on. Run, fuck that. Run, cops got guns, they giving out life like by the tons. Run if you ain't do shit, you hit that next felony, nigga. It's like 3-zip. So run, hop fences, jump over benches. When you see me coming, get the fuck out the entrance. Run, fuck that. Run, cops got guns, motherfucker.